Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a Mazda SUV CX-7. This has a variable timing in it. If you do not change your oil at intervals, you will destroy the variable timing system. On this particular car, because of variable timing, it has lots of galleys. It has 2 intake and exhaust actuators that must never be clogged up. You have the timing chain, everything is running off this oil, and the oil must stay clean. If you do not, you're going to create a lot of carb inside the pistons, and now the pistons have more room and more stuff to be pushing up and down. You don't want to do that and build up carb. So you do not want to have dirty oil, period. It's the lifeblood of your body. This vehicle is seeing a lot of interesting days. So the point of the video is, if you have a variable timing, change your oils and intervals. Do not be skipping around, or your car will not last long at all, and it will be shaking and carrying on and never be the same until somebody has to pull off the top to clean the change the timing chain and clean out the pistons and everything else. This is just a mechanic tip. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.